So we just went over motion on camera. Now we're going to soft trigger. What is a soft trigger? A soft trigger is a software trigger. That's why it's called a soft trigger. It's not soft like as in like not hard. A soft trigger allows users to create a button which appears on top of a viewing cell of a camera, which can then be used to trigger system actions, right? Just as simple as it sounds. Soft triggers are represented in the desktop interface. They're also in the mobile application once you set them up. So to set up a soft trigger, right? Want to go to the same camera we were just on. Go to camera rules. Let's add another rule here, right? And back right to. And we're going to check soft trigger here, and make it available to all users, right? And we're going to call this trigger notify Nick, right? Okay, so we're going to run it all the time. Why not? And we're going to show a notification, and we're only going to show a notification to a specific user, which is, you know what, we'll show two users, me and Nick, so you guys can see it as well. So basically, I've set this up. We got it so that notification appears for Nick, right? And that's about it. It's a soft trigger. So once I've got it all set up, press apply, right? I can tie a soft trigger to any potential action in the system as well right now. I'm just doing notification because it's easy. So now you can see there's a trigger here called notify Nick, right? And when I press that button, right, soft trigger notify Nick occurs. Right, so he gets a notification and I get a notification, right? Nick, you still got motion set up on that. I still got motion set up on that camera. Yeah. So I keep getting notifications from you moving. So I'm gonna go disable that real fast. To delete a rule, you just right click on it and delete it, guys, just so you know. So there you go, notify Nick. That's how you set up soft triggers. Again, soft triggers can be used for any action, moving PTZ cameras, sending HTTP requests to third-party systems, to open doors, for example. Typically how it's used is integration with third-party systems. But it can also be used for just sending notifications to people, or you know, moving a PTZ camera to a preset. There's lots of different things you use software trigger for. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Check it out. Next up, we are going to go over actions. Oh, no. Yeah, actions. We are into the actions area. So actually the next action we're going to go over is bookmarks.